Hi and hello, children. This is not a new chapter for you. This is a familiar word environment. Environment means nature, place, people, things, etc. that surround the living organisms make the environment. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. Okay, this is called environment. How do human beings modify this natural environment? They are making this environment, modifying it, and then only using it. So, how do human beings modify this natural environment is given in your book. Human beings make cars, mills, factories, and manufacture containers. This is how human beings modify natural environment. And one more thing is, we build a house on land. We live in the house. Okay. We cook food with the grains what is grown in the ground. What is grown in the land. That is the modification. Okay. So we use the environment, modify it and use. We are not using it as such. Water alone we are using it as such. That too nowadays we are purifying and using. The environment can broadly be classified into the natural and human environment. It is a combination of both natural as well as man made phenomena. As natural is concerned, as natural is concerned, you are living things, all the living things, animals, we human beings, all the living things, all the plants are called living things. It is biosphere. And a land is called as lithosphere. Okay, all the natural land is called as lithosphere. Then the air which is in our surrounding is called as atmosphere, and the water is known as hydrosphere. Next is human made. Human made is buildings, parks, bridges, roads, industries, monuments. Okay, these are all human made. Without building, nothing is possible nowadays. Our school has a building, park. Children play in park. Those days, people play in the ground. Nowadays, they are playing in the park. Bridges are constructed for transportation. Roads are constructed for uh, comfortable transportation of vehicles. Industries are there to bring all the products, manufacture all the products into the world. Monuments are built. Olden day monuments are strong and beautiful, so they are called as, those buildings are called as relic buildings, are called as monuments. These are all built by human beings. So this is human made. The previous one is natural. Natural cannot be changed. Human made can be modified. The third is human. Human as an individual is called as human. Family is called as human. Community is called as human. Religion is called as human. Educational. All the educational facilities is offered for the human beings. Economics. What is economics? They deal with money. Whatever they are dealing with money is called as economics. Political situation. All the political situations prevailing in our country, okay, in our state, that is called as political situation. This is all human made. This is all related to human. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. Lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere are the four domains of the natural environment. As I said, lithosphere states the land, atmosphere is the air around us, hydrosphere is dealt with the water, biosphere is all the environment comprised together as biosphere. Living organisms are also called as biosphere. The lithosphere is is a solid crust or the outermost layer of the earth where we live. It contains landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, and valleys. Okay, all this comes under lithosphere. Hydrosphere is the domain of water. It comprises water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. The atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. It protects us from the harmful rays, scorching heat of the sun. Ultraviolet rays and all is coming from the sun. That sun ultraviolet rays is restricted by the what layer? Ozone layer. So that only the sun's rays are healthy for us. If the ozone layer is not there, the sun's rays will affect us. Biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other. All the interaction of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere is called as biosphere. Ecosystem. What is ecosystem? The relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organism and their surrounding form the ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lake, river, ocean and even a small pond has an ecosystem. Okay, it is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms. They interact with each other is called ecosystem. Next is human environment. Human environment, as the extra information says here, 5th June every year World Environment Day is celebrated. Barter system, it is the trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. What is my barter system? Barter system is we are using barter system in the earlier times when money was not there in the sufficiently inside the world. They started buying and selling goods with the products they have. They'll give the agricultural field means they will sell what they grow in their land to the opponent. We are going to see human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. As I said earlier, human beings modify the environment. Early humans adapted themselves to their natural surroundings. With the time, humans learned to grow new things, domesticate animals and lead a settled life. The Industrial Revolution, industries flourished. Transportation increased. Instead of bullock carts, people used motor vehicles. And information revolution. Earlier, if you see, we don't have anything to contact. Only letter was there to contact. Now, we have emails, mails. Our phone is our smartphones and Android. The technological development. It is a revolution. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. Even all over the world, you can contact even within minutes. Man is destroying the environment through deforestation. People are destroying the environment with deforestation, industrialization, etc. To make constructing an industry, to construct the building, they are using the agricultural land means that is called deforestation. Even for agriculture, the forest is the trees are cut down in the forest, so that is also deforestation. The environment in our basic life support system, it provides air we breathe, the water we drink and the food we eat and the place where we live. I am recapping the environment. Okay, and this is the human environment. Whatever the human beings are doing is called as human environment. Man is destroying the environment through deforestation and industrialization. Many, even cell phone towers, sparrows are dying because of cell phone towers. You know, no? This is your exercise, children. Okay. We'll wind up. The lesson is over.